Humingang malalim. Teka, paano muna?
Kapapasok na balita, suspendido ang klase ngayong araw sa Metro Manila dahil sa heat index na pumalo na sa 47 degrees Celsius.
Magpakasakaling banayad ang paghinga. Di nagpapakala, tila walang problema. Kala ko'y payapa, mundo ko'y nasisira na.
Binaon na lamang ang lahat, linungisan pati ilog dagat, ngunit tayo'y hindi ito pa rin, hirap patong intindihin.
Tanging panalangin, yumulat mga mata. Dahil sa bawat tingin, mundo'y sirang-sira na. Kahit saan man mapunta ay dalasan na isipang may pag-aaruga. Mundo'y isa lamang, ingatan habang buhay pa. Hindi makakalaya kung hanggang ngayon walang gagawin. Wala mang makakita,
Kumilos na may pagmalasakit,
hindi to panaginip. Dapat ka
na mag-isip,
may mali
na sa klima.
aksyon mo ang nararapat rito. Dapat lang ito, hindi mo ba tumatatak sa isip? Hindi mo nung makikil sa sarili. Sa'yo't sa'kin mawawala ang pusa.
Ibig bang
Talaga.
Look around you. The air we breathe, the oceans rising, the forest falling silent. They're all trying to tell us something.
A warning, a cry for help. Climate change isn't a distant threat anymore. It's here, now.
Fires burn longer, storms hit harder, droughts take our food, floods erase homes, dreams, and memories.
But there's something stronger than the storm. Us.
We caused this crisis.
And we can fix it.
SDG 13 isn't just a goal, it's the red line, the turning point.
We must cut emissions, shift to clean energy, and hold polluters accountable.
Protect the vulnerable, stop exploiting nature, start protecting it.
The future isn't set, it's ours to shape.
You don't need a title to make a change.
Just a voice, a choice, a will to act,
This is our time
to speak,
to act,
to fight for our planet.
because if not now, then when?
And if not us, then who?